How to change biome in Minecraft. So first, just simply go to the place where you want to change the biome to. So let's say I want to start right here, and once you're there, just simply open up the coordinates. As you do that, just simply click on F3 on your keyboard. So I have mine right here. So my coordinates is on the XYZ here on the left side. Now once that's done, just open up your chat and just simply put the coordinates that we have. So just simply type in filled biome, just like so. Then just simply type in the coordinates that we have right here, which is 5873, then 74, and 7778. Once that's done, just simply click on enter. Now just simply go to the place where we want to change the biome to. So let's say I want to change it right here up to here. Now just simply click on letter G on your keyboard again to open up the chat and commands, and just simply click on the command that we did right here to basically type in it again right there. And now just type in the coordinates that we have right now, which is 5,987 and 7723. Now, once that's done, reset it again, 7723. There, and now just simply pick the biome that we want to change it to. So let's say I want to change it to cherry grove, for example. Now just click on enter. Now as you can see, it will automatically change. As you can see, the color just changed. That's how I basically change the biome in Minecraft.